In this video, you'll learn how to embed TikTok videos into Notion. This process allows you to enhance your Notion pages with dynamic content from TikTok, making your notes more interactive and engaging. Begin by navigating to the Notion website by entering notion.so in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can access your existing workspaces or create a new one. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Add a New Page on the left sidebar. This action will open a blank page where you can start adding content. Make sure the new page is selected before proceeding. After that, click on any blank space within the new page. This action will allow you to start typing and access various features within Notion. You will recognize this area as the main content area of the page. Type in /embed in the blank space. As you type, a menu will appear with various options. This is a quick command feature in Notion that allows you to embed different types of content seamlessly. Once the options appear, click on Embed from the list. This will prompt a new dialog box where you can paste the link of the TikTok video you wish to embed. The dialog box is a confirmation step before you can proceed with the link. Now click on the Embed Link option that appears in the dialog box. This will allow you to input the link directly. You will see a field where you can paste the URL. Next, open a new tab in your browser. This can typically be done by pressing Ctrl and T on your keyboard or by clicking the plus sign next to your current tab. A new blank tab will open where you can perform a search. Go to google.com by typing google.com in the address bar of the new tab. Once the Google homepage loads, you will see the search bar prominently displayed at the center of the page. Type in TikTok in the Google search bar and press enter on your keyboard. This will bring up search results related to TikTok, which you can navigate through. Click on the link titled TikTok Make Your Day from the search results. This will redirect you to the TikTok homepage where you can browse videos. Ensure you are on the official TikTok site before proceeding. Once on TikTok, locate and click on the share button, which is usually represented by an arrow icon. This option allows you to share the video through various channels, and it is essential for obtaining the video link. After that, click on Copy Link from the share options that appear. This action copies the direct link to the TikTok video to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it later in Notion. Go back to the Notion tab you had opened. You should return to the page where you started the embedding process. Make sure you are on the same page as before. In the Notion page, type in the link that you copied from TikTok. This is the step where you will insert the video link into the previously opened embed dialog box. Next, click on the embed link option again to confirm that you want to embed the TikTok video. This will finalize the embedding process. You should see a preview of the video appear in your Notion page. Finally, click on any blank space to finalize the embedding. This action will ensure that the video is correctly embedded and that you can interact with it. You should see the video playable directly within your Notion workspace. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.